You don't need bigger models to reach frontier performance. You need better post-training data. Hi, I'm Nazneen Rajani, CEO of Collinear AI, a VC-backed startup in Mountain View, and today I'll be talking about our ServiceNow partnership. ServiceNow set out to build a compact reasoning model that could rival 10 times its size, one that is capable of frontier coding, reasoning, and multi-turn reliability. Together, we built the post-training data layer that made this possible, that helped Apriel-1.5-15B thinker reach frontier reasoning. ServiceNow's goal was clear: build a model that could reach frontier performance for code reasoning, including competitive coding as measured by standard benchmarks such as Live Code Bench and Codeforces, matching the performance of much bigger models like GPT-OSS 120 billion and Claude 4.5 Sonnet. And they wanted to do it with a model that runs on a single GPU. But human labeling is slow and expensive. Synthetic data can add volume, but not necessarily signal. ServiceNow needed curated, high-signal, mid-training, and post-training data that could actually teach reasoning efficiently. At Collinear, we built a data pipeline that can generate custom data for specific enterprise needs. We applied structured filtering to improve functional accuracy, task diversity, and coverage across code families. Along with the data, we also fine-tuned smaller models internally to validate performance lift, guaranteeing results before delivery. We scaled this pipeline to more than 50 billion tokens per month, a level of throughput that simply isn't possible with human data vendors. The result? Apriel-15B Thinker hit its target, placing on the Artificial Analysis Index at 52, on par with frontier-scale models like DeepSeek R1. On coding specifically, it reached a Live Code Bench score of 73, higher than GPT-OSS 120 billion, a model 8x its size. It also scored strongly on AMI, GPQA, IF Eval, and Tau Bench, showing depth well beyond coding. The model was developed with no reinforcement learning, and our high-efficiency data saved them more than $10 million in training costs just this year. This collaboration is now live on Hugging Face, complete with open weights, demo, and datasets, as you can see here. I have sorted this by the top trending models this week, and Apriel 1.5-15B Thinker is the smallest model in this category. But do not take our word for it. Even the VP of Applied Research, Srini Sankara at ServiceNow, talked about how Collinear has enabled them to get frontier performance, a Live Code Bench of 73, IF Bench 62, and Tau Bench of 68. We can help you create a data flywheel and achieve frontier performance. With high signal mid-training and post-training data that helps models learn faster and perform better. We have a library of off-the-shelf datasets across math and code reasoning, agentic trajectories, complex agent tasks, and safety and alignment data across various domains. They are benchmark validated and ready to deliver today. For complex needs, we also designed custom data pipelines that get you high-quality data faster than any human annotator. We have proven it in specialized domains like telecom, hospitality, retail, and even kernel code. Whatever your data needs, Collinear can help. Does this sound relevant to you? Interested? Reach out for sample dataset or book a demo to see the results yourself. Smaller models, bigger results. Powered by Collinear.